This morning belongs to the people of Pangasinan. And you know why? I won't read this anymore. Because this project, etong project po, especially sa mga taga-Pangasinan, ito po ang pinakauna-una sa buong mundo. Hindi lang sa bansa, hindi lang po sa Luzon, sa buong mundo po. This is the first project na exploration na binid out, no? For hydrogen. Katabi ko dito si Sales. Tinatanong ko sa kanya kung ano ba yung hydrogen. No? Meron po tayo dito sa Pilipinas. We have, I'm sorry, I just want to explain the project. We have oil, we have natural gas, may malampaya tayo, tapos may oil din na pakonti-konti, mga petroleum na crude oil natin. Yung po ginagamit sa power, but those are fossil eh. So may carbon emission talaga yan. Ito po, gas din to. At malinis po na gas. So this is clean energy, clean power, clean gas. So you're lucky actually. This will put, I was telling the councilors earlier, this will put your town in the map worldwide. Because hopefully it's a successful venture. And this will be the first in the world. So, hindi lang nyo alam, pero malaki yung potential po at yung bike. Hindi lang po sa, dahil may maganda kayong ilog dito, at, but you have one of the cleanest sources of energy actually.
I just wanted to say, on behalf of Paloma, thank you for welcoming us into your community and allowing us to be part of this important milestone. Today marks the start of our 2D seismic program under Service Contract 84. For Coloma, this is more than a technical activity. It is a chance to help the Philippines explore a new potential source of clean indigenous energy. We are grateful to the Department of Energy and its leadership and vision in creating a clear path for this work. We're also deeply grateful to the local government leaders and communities of Pangasinan and Zambales for their support, cooperation, and great hospitality. Exploration is always the first step. It requires patience, science, and partnership. Coloma is committed to carrying our work out safely, responsibly, and with respect for the communities where we operate.
Isa to sa mga direktiba ng Presidente that we need to explore more indigenous. Ibig sabihin, it has to be fuel na galing dito sa atin. Parang we don't export na. So, eto, isa sa mga solusyon ang problema natin na para tapunan yung independence or energy security natin. This is an exploration of hydrogen gas. No? What does that mean? Kasi may iba-iba po kasi na tayong ini-explore sa ating bansa. May oil, may gas. Pero etong hydrogen na to, hindi ito fossil. Malinis to na gas. Dito po sa bayan ninyo, sa probinsya ninyo, marami pong scientists na pumunta dito at nakita na yung bula-bula yung tubig. Sabi nila hydrogen yan. Kaya nung inayos ng DOE yung mga policies, nagka-interest po ang mga taga-America, no? Taga-US, the company called Coloma, and they are checking now. Titignan nila, may mga aeroplano sila, may mga sensor sila na nilalatag dito sa buong bayan, sa buong probinsya, to see kung meron talaga tayong potential. At kung may potential, may ma-discover sila, laking tulong po ito sa bayan for energy security. Kasi pwede silang, itong fuel na to, can produce energy, can produce fertilizer, marami pong advantage ito. Lalo na malinis siya, so walang carbon.